The text message came out of nowhere. It was over. Just like that, your world shattered. The girl you loved, the one you thought you'd spend your life with, was gone. The pain is real, it's raw, and it feels like it will never end. You're lost in a sea of sadness, anger, and confusion. This isn't just a breakup, it's a punch to the gut. The world seems bleak. You feel lost and alone. This is the moment when you decide. Do you let the pain consume you, or do you rise above it? Do you let this experience break you, or do you let it shape you into something stronger? The answer, my friend, lies within you. You have the power to choose your path. You have the power to rebuild yourself. And you can find strength and wisdom in the ancient philosophy of Stoicism. The Stoics knew that life is full of pain. They also knew we can't control everything that happens to us. We can't control the past. We can't control other people. The only thing we can control is our own response. Focus on what you can control. You can control your thoughts. You can control your actions. You can control how you choose to see the situation. Right now, those choices might feel impossible, but they are the key to overcoming this pain. Detachment doesn't mean you don't care. It means you understand that clinging to things you can't control only causes suffering. Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." How do you practice detachment? Through self-reflection. Journaling is a powerful tool. Write down your thoughts and feelings. Examine them. Don't judge yourself. Just observe. This process will help you gain clarity. It will help you detach from the emotional chaos and see the situation more objectively. Pain is a powerful motivator. It can crush you or it can push you to become your best self. The Stoics believed in using adversity to forge character. They saw pain as an opportunity for growth. What are you passionate about? What have you always wanted to do but never had the courage to try? Now is the time. Channel your pain into something positive. Throw yourself into your work, hit the gym, learn a new skill. Use this experience to transform yourself into a stronger, more resilient man. Section 5. No contact is key. This might be the hardest part, but it's crucial. You need to cut contact with your ex completely. Delete her number. Unfollow her on social media. Don't stalk her profiles. Every time you see her face, you reopen the wound. Give yourself the space you need to heal. This isn't about being petty or vindictive. It's about protecting yourself. It's about giving yourself the best chance to move on. It's about reclaiming your power. Section 6. Rediscovering your inner strength. You are not defined by this experience. You are not your pain. You are a strong, capable man with a bright future ahead of him. It's time to rediscover your passions, your dreams, and your sense of self. What brings you joy? What are you good at? What have you always wanted to explore? Now is the time to dive in headfirst. Join a club, take a class, pick up a new hobby. Rediscovering yourself is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process. Section 7. Small steps, big rewards. Don't try to do everything at once. Take small, manageable steps each day. Set realistic goals. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small they may seem. Consistency is key. Start with something simple. Maybe it's journaling for 5 minutes every morning. Maybe it's going for a 20-minute walk. Maybe it's learning one new word in a foreign language. These small actions done consistently will add up to big changes over time. Section 8. Embrace the journey. The road to healing is not always easy. There will be good days and bad days. There will be moments when you want to give up. But remember, you are not alone. We all experience pain and heartbreak. It's part of being human. Embrace the journey. Embrace the pain. Embrace the lessons learned. These experiences, as difficult as they may be, are shaping you into the man you are meant to be. Section 9. Join the Stoic Challenge. Are you ready to take control of your life? Are you ready to transform your pain into strength? Join the Stoic Challenge. This 30-day challenge will provide you with daily exercises and reflections to help you apply Stoic principles to your life. Don't let this experience break you. Let it make you stronger. Let it be the catalyst for your personal growth. You have the power within you to overcome this and become the best version of yourself. Start today.